Welcome to all. In this video we will see about micropropagation in rose. Rose is propagated by vegetative means and it does not ensure healthy plants as well as disease free plants. In addition, normal vegetative propagation using conventional techniques are depend on seasons and multiplication rate is very slow. These are all major limiting factors in the conventional micropropagation techniques to produce large amounts of propagules for commercial cultivation. To achieve faster rates of multiplication, micropropagation methods are employed in recent days. For the mass multiplication of rows through micropropagation techniques, generally shoot tips as well as nodes are used as explants, and 4 kinds of nutrient media are utilized for the micropropagations. These are listed here. The first one is initial establishment medium. This consists of basal MS medium with 0.8% agar and 3% sucrose plus myo-inositol 100 mg per liter. And next medium is multiplication medium. This consisting of the MS media plus 1.5 mg per liter of benzyl adenopurine BAP and 0.5 mg per liter of kinetin and 0.5 mg per liter of NAA. And next medium is called elongation medium. This elongation medium also modified MS medium consisting of 0.5 mg per liter BAP in addition to normal 3% sucrose and 0.8% agar. And final rooting medium consisting of half strength MS medium with 0.7% agar and 2% sucrose, and indole butyric acid IPA is added up to 2 mg per liter and NAA is added up to 1 mg per liter. Now we will see the procedures to perform micropropagation using shoot tips and nodes in micropropagation of rows. The explant shoot tips, single or double nodal segments from the field grown plants are collected. In addition, nodal segments also collected. When we select nodes, make sure at least 0.5 cm of stem is present in both sides of node. Sterilization. Here we pre-rinse the explants in 0.1% Pin20 water. The reason is most of the rose stems are highly hydrophobic due to presence of axis substances. To make them hydrophilic, we have to pre-rinse with 0.1% Pin20 for 10 minutes. Then wash in running tap water vigorously for 30 minutes. After that, first surface sterilization is given by 30 seconds, rinse with 70% ethanol and wash with distilled water. Again do the second surface sterilization by immersing in bleach, that means sodium hypochlorite, up to 1 to 4% for 7 minutes. Now the explants are kept inside the laminar hood and thoroughly washed 3 to 4 times with sterile autoclaved distilled water. Inoculation. During sterilization, the ends of the explants will be blackening, so we have to use a sterile surgical knife and carefully shave off the blackened ends with carefully. Next, with a sterile forceps, we have to carefully inoculate the explants into a culture tube containing the sterile initial establishment medium. After that, we have to culture in primary growth room, maintaining approximately 25 degrees Celsius temperature under the illumination of 16-hour light and 8-hour darkness with 3500 lux unit of light. Next stage, multiplication or shoot proliferation stage. After 4 weeks cultured in initial establishment medium, the healthy shoot apex are excised approximately 5 mm long from the shoots and culture in the MS medium supplemented with 1.5 mg per liter BAP, 0.5 mg per liter kinetin and 0.5 mg per liter of NAA, and subculture the shoots after 8 weeks in the same fresh medium. Next, shoot elongation. The mass multiplied shoots are inoculated in the MS medium with 1 mg per liter BAP for shoot elongation. We can kept until up to 21 days. After that, rooting. For rooting, we transfer the elongated single shoots into rooting medium for in vitro rooting. So once 3 to 4 healthy roots are formed, next step hardening is performed. For that purpose, after 4 weeks kept in rooting medium, the plants are carefully taken out, gently wash the root portions to remove the adhering nutrient mediums. Then plant in a sterile soil mix containing sand, red earth, FOA farmyard manure at 2:1:1 ratio and maintain in the mist room initially for the 15 days and later transferred to shade net house for secondary hardening before transfer into the field conditions. Thank you for watching.